First part of this homework walks you through it in nice easy steps. So first of all, you're asked to find the values of a, b and c. A, remember, is the number of x squared, so there's only one x squared. B is the number of x's, which is 10, and c is the constant, which is -9. Wants us to substitute this into the formula, so gives you the formula. X equals minus b, that's going to be minus 10, plus or minus the square root of 10 squared minus 4 times 1 times minus 9. Remember, if it's negative, it needs a bracket around it. We're going to divide all of that by 2 times a, which is 2 times 1. We're just now going to put that straight into your calculator. Well, my calculator. Anyway, remember, we start off with fraction. And then we have minus 10. Start off with plus the square root of 10 squared. Use squared, not to the power of, otherwise you'll make it to the power of all of this. Take away 4 times 1 times brackets for minus 9, all over 2 times 1. That gives me my first value. It wants it as a decimal, 0.83. And then rather than typing the whole thing out again, I'm just going to use the replay buttons and delete the plus, turn it into a negative, and it gives me my negative answer, which is minus 10.83. Second question, again, walks you through it. So our values of a, b and c are 3 for a, -5 for b, and -4 for c. So, substituting into the formula, x equals minus b, which is minus 5, plus or minus the square root of minus 5 squared, remember brackets for negatives, minus 4 times 3 times minus 4, all over 2 times 3. Into your calculator. I've just realised what those things are. Those spots you can see, they are reflections of my wallpaper. In case you were interested, I was thinking, what's wrong with my calculator? So, fraction button first, minus 5, plus the square root of, don't forget your brackets, minus 5 squared, take away 4 times 3 times brackets minus 4, all over 2 times 3. My first answer is 2.26 to 2 decimal places. And my second answer, use those replay buttons, turn it into a negative, and we end up with minus 0.59. So the first part walked you through it fairly well.